Imagine waking up in 5 years, stress-free about money, confident about your future, and living life on your terms. Sounds like a dream? Well, dreams are built on habits, tiny actions repeated consistently. Today, we're breaking down 5 financial habits you must build in 2025 if you want wealth, freedom, and peace of mind. Stick around till the end because habit number 5 might just change your life. Ready? Let's go. Here's the harsh truth. Most people aren't struggling because they don't earn enough. They struggle because they don't manage what they earn. Whether you're 16 or 30, your money habits today are writing your future story. So let's rewrite it, habit by habit. Habit number 1, automate your savings. Treat savings like a subscription, only this one pays you. Set up an automatic transfer every paycheck, even if it's just $20. Why? Because saving money isn't about willpower, it's about removing the choice to spend it. And trust me, your future self will thank you. But saving alone won't build wealth. Let's talk about habit number 2. Habit number 2, track every dollar. You can't manage what you don't measure. Use budgeting apps or even a simple spreadsheet. When you know where your money is going, you regain control. You'd be surprised how those daily $5 coffees add up. No judgment though, we've all been there. Speaking of control, habit number 3 is a game changer. Habit number 3, build an emergency fund. Life is full of surprises. Some good, some not so good. An emergency fund acts like a financial seatbelt. Aim for at least 3 months' worth of expenses saved up. No, it's not exciting, but financial freedom isn't about thrills, it's about security. But let's talk about the real wealth-building secret. Habit number 4, invest early and consistently. You've probably heard about compound interest. It's like planting a money tree. The earlier you start, the bigger it grows. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start small, start now, and let time do the heavy lifting. Now, habit number 5 might just surprise you. Habit number 5, spend intentionally. Money isn't just about saving and investing, it's about living. Ask yourself, is this purchase adding value to my life? If the answer is no, walk away. True wealth isn't about being rich, it's about feeling rich. So let's quickly recap all 5 habits before you go. Automate your savings, track your spending, build an emergency fund, invest consistently, and spend intentionally. These habits aren't just nice-to-haves, they're must-haves. Now, if you want a step-by-step guide to saving $5,000 in 2025, click on the video on your screen right now. Start your wealth-building journey today. Don't wait. Your future self is counting on you. Hit subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and let's build a wealthier future together. See you in the next one.